welcome back to our YouTube channel. Want to become a lawyer but confused? Where to start? CLAT, SLAT, CUET, so many exams. Don't worry, in the few next minutes, I will simplify the law admissions 2026. So you will say that now I am ready. Let's break down the complete law admission process in the simplest way. To take admissions in top law colleges, here's what you need. Pass 12th grade, any stream, minimum marks 45 to 50%. No age limit for CLAT and or more law universities. Simple? Right. Let's move on. There are three main ways to get into a law college. CLAT, SLAT, CUET. Now, let's talk about the big names. Symbiosis, Christ, OP Jindal and NLU Delhi. So, this offers the world's big exposures, internships and global placements. So, how do you get in? Register for the entrance exam, appear the test, get your scorecard, do your choice filling, attend the counseling, and confirm your seat. That's it. Your law journey begins. So, if you have any requirements regarding for the admissions or the counseling process, you can contact to the given number.